was good. So it is currently 1:22, 2:22 up there in Texas. He got to work tomorrow at 8. Um, do y'all know any like babysitting jobs or something like that here in Clovis or somewhere? Cause I'm finna be 16 and I'm trying to get me a job, a job, but I don't want to work at no like restaurant or nothing like that. I want to work with children.
For what?
Cause I like kids.
Okay, there ain't a problem. I didn't say there was a problem.
You said for what?
Okay.
So I answered your question.
Didn't say what you did.
Neither did I. Anyways, so yeah, I want to work with like 2-year-olds, 1-year-olds, 3, whatever age besides. I shouldn't say besides, right? Never mind. Just whatever age, and
I'm tired.
I'm a good babysitter. I've babysitted 4 kids whenever I was 12-year-old. Whenever I was 12-year-old. Whenever I was 12 years old. And then whenever I was about 14, I babysitted a 2-year-old and not really the baby. Like, she was about, I don't know how old she was. She was a baby still. I still was carrying her.
My skin is tearing off up here.
You're handsome. So because the reason why I didn't babysit her is because she went with her dad, and I babysitted the boy. Anyways, he had a speech impediment, so I taught him how to talk, and he was not potty trained, so I taught him how to be potty trained. I did that. And he did not like to eat. The only thing he liked to eat was chips. I got him to eat. I did that. So, if your child, sibling, child does not like to do those things, hand them over to me. And I will teach them.
No, don't hand them over.
I will teach them.
No.
And I will help
correction.
them. I will help them.
She will do it for money.
Yes. Depending on the hour.
Yeah. Don't forget that.
So, I could work 24 hours. Wait, how long is 24 hours?
That's a whole night.
That's a whole night. I could work 24 hours. So if, you want to go out.
She'll work until 10 o'clock.
If you want to go with your mans or whatever, you want to go on a date, holla at your girl. I got you. I could put him to bed. I'll read him a bedtime story. Whatever you would like. I could feed him. I can't cook that well, but I could cook. You heard me? Oh, I know how to make no, I do not know how to make enchiladas.
Baby,
I know how to make carne picada con green beans. I know how to make carne picada con papas. I know how to make chicken tacos. I know how to make, what else do I know? I know how to make eggs. Do I know how to make eggs? Do I make eggs good? Okay, I know how to make eggs. I know how to make noodles. I know how to make, what else do I know how to make?
You know how to make meat.
I know how to make quesadillas. Chicken quesadillas.
And some good tortillas.
And
homemade, by the way.
And I think that's it. Oh, I know how to make macaroni and cheese. I know how to make
Some
rice.
good macaroni and cheese
I
and rice.
know how to make
Mexican rice,
beans
by the way.
with the ranch style beans. I know how to make um I know how to cook. Holla at your girl. Somebody needs to wife me up, babe. You need to wife me up.
Will do.
Yeah, nigga. No, I'm just like, dude, I'm darker than you in the
This is all
camera.
mine, by the way.
I'm darker than you in the camera, right? You think? Yeah, I am. Okay,
Say it to the camera.
what?
This is all mine.
I don't need to. I already told you that you didn't marry me. Anyways,
Can I borrow
so
your nail?
no, wife me up. I mean, not wife me up. Holla at your girl whenever you need a babysitter. And um, depending on the child,
Depending on the child.
nah, um, $15 an hour.
Now we talking. Hell yeah. Nah, minimum wage will start off at like $9.50.
$10.
$9.50, because
$10.
if you're gonna pull a shift from, let's say, 5 to 9 or 10.
Dudes, I could work till like freaking.
She can't work late, y'all. Tell
Why
you the
not?
truth. My girlfriend needs sleep too. Plus, the moms and their dads are gonna be back, so they could go to work in the morning. So you don't gotta do all 20-hour shifts or nothing. Yeah, they'll probably make.
I
you
can't
stay
drive.
there. Yeah, she can.
Only in the parking lots. I can't do math.
Alright, we will see you guys later.
So holla at your girl. Remember, I'm looking for a job, job with babysitting only. Not no restaurant stuff. So holla at your girl. Get a fabulous gang. Bye.
Bye.
Give us a like, thumbs up, like, thumbs up, and subscribe, niggas.